Hi, I'm Justin Byrd from Ranney Blair Weidmann. I want to walk you through some of the most frequently asked questions about basement remodels so that you can feel confident in the decisions you're about to make. Who's a good fit for basements? Good fits for basements are somebody looking for a whole basement remodel to change their lives. Somebody that's looking for, to move in a mother-in-law in their basement and to create a, additional mother-in-law suite. Someone that wants to create a man cave. Or someone that, hey, I need my kids off my floor, I need to put them down in the basement. Somebody looking for a transitional approach to their basement. That can be somebody that's looking for a remodel of their currently finished basement or a completely unfinished basement. Basements that are not an ideal fit for us are those that are just simply looking to change the ceiling. Maybe you have a drop tile and you want drywall. Or you just have a simple cosmetic, hey, I want to paint or do the floors in my basement. Typically, we want to do that entire basement. So when can we start your basement remodel? Basements sometimes have a little bit more lead time because we get into doors, windows, things like that that have a little bit longer lead time. But we're gonna start as soon as we have your materials. When we have your materials, we're gonna get started. That typical start time is somewhere between 4 to 6 weeks after you finish your design. So how long does a basement take? As I said, it takes somewhere between 8 to 14 weeks. What takes 8 weeks? Minimal wall moves. That bathroom's already roughed in and we're using that space. What takes it 14 weeks? We're moving multiple walls. We have extensive framing. We need to concrete cut. There's some elaborate trim work that needs to be done. Just a little bit more complicated from a labor intensive aspect. Can take longer for that basement. How much does a basement remodel cost? Well, what's the square foot of that basement? Is it finished already? Is it unfinished? Do you need HVAC? Do you need plumbing? Basements can really range depending on the nature that we're entering. But our basements can range anywhere from $120,000 to $350,000. What can you do to prepare for this basement remodel? Start thinking about why you want to do it in the first place. What's wrong with it now? What do you want it to become? What problems will that basement solve? Start thinking about the cool things that we could do with your basement. What have you seen on Instagram? What have you seen on Pinterest? What have you seen at a friend's house that looks awesome that you want to incorporate into your home? But also start thinking about how that basement will change your life. The reason why I ask you to do these things is you're going to bring those things to our designers and they're going to present you solutions to those problems. These are some of the most commonly asked questions when it comes to basements. If I didn't answer one of these questions today, feel free to check out our website, fill out the form, give us a call, or simply pop in our showroom.